Today I'm going to make a charred veg halloumi and romesco burger. What we're going to do first is make the romesco. So we're going to basically cook down these lovely vine tomatoes and then char some of these red peppers on the barbecue. That's going to kind of bring a really nice smoky, sweet flavour to the veg. That will basically get really lovely and kind of soften down. Once that's cooked, we're going to add in some garlic, a little bit of smoked paprika and some almonds, and then with a good glug of olive oil, we're going to blitz all of that into like a really nice kind of paste, which is our romesco sauce. We'll set that to one side, and then we're going to concentrate on charring down more of the veg. So we've got some spring onions, some more peppers, and then we're going to cook this lovely halloumi until it kind of crisps up on the outside and goes lovely and kind of gooey in the middle. That will get squished into the burger with layers and layers of that romesco and the charred veg ready for you to kind of squeeze and dive into. Should be a super delicious one for the summer.